my channel. It's TheFlyNatural here, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. And if you're not new but not yet subscribed, come on now, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button for me. So today's video, we are in my bathroom, so you guys know we're about to do something to this hair. And I don't even think I have to say what we're gonna do, because you can tell by looking at me, we're gonna get these locks washed, okay? So ever since I released the controversial ways I care for my locks video, I've been getting a lot of questions about how I wash my hair because I no longer braid and band. So I thought it would be a good idea for me to show you guys in today's video. Because I don't think I did a wash day routine since I was about a month into my journey. So I think it would be a good idea for you guys to see how I wash my hair now. So let's just jump right into it. Now, I still use the same Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo, and I dilute that in an applicator bottle with some water. And what I usually like to do is do this part outside of the shower so I can really make sure that I'm getting my hair completely clean. So we're going to section our hair off and start to apply the shampoo and water mixture directly to our scalp. Now that I have all of my shampoo worked in and I gave myself a really good scalp massage and scrub, I am going to go and rinse this out of my head. So what I'm doing now is just getting in the shower. I have a dual shower head, so I'm turning off the bigger one and grabbing the handheld one. So what I like to do is tip my head back and let the water go through my hair as I'm using my opposite hand in a downward motion to help further guide the soap out of my hair. So when I'm doing this, I make sure that I keep my hands going in the same downward direction as opposed to bringing it up and down, so that I won't create any unnecessary bunching or slippage within my locks. And as I'm doing this, I'm making sure that I really get in my scalp good to get the soap off of my locks. Now I'm bending over now so that I can get the soap from the back of my head. And I'm using that same downward motion to make sure that I'm getting the soap out and that I'm not causing any bunching or scrunching of my locks. Now as I'm doing this, I like to shake my locks a little bit towards the ends to make sure that any additional soap that could have gotten trapped within my locks is being shaken out as well. Now I'm getting back up and I'm just running my hands through my hair to see if I feel any extra soap. And I'm just going through one final time to make sure I get all of the soap out. So at this point, my hair feels pretty good, so I'm just turning off the water and putting back my shower head. And I'm just squeezing my locks to get the excess water off. Now I got my little turban, pop that on, and we are good to go. All right, guys, now we are all washed. My hair has been sitting in this towel for about 10 to 20 minutes. And let's see what we're working with. I love the way my hair feels right after I wash it. I'm able to like shake it and move it and act all crazy. But that's for another time. So now that my hair is about 10% dry, burly, we're gonna put some oil on it. Now I get a lot of questions as to how often and how I use my oils. Well, this is how I do it. Outside of a hot oil treatment, I never put oil on my hair except for right after a wash. When I use the clarifying shampoo, it really squeaky cleans my hair and scalp. Now I don't worry about putting oil on my actual locks, but my scalp gets really dry, and if I don't put oil on it, it starts to get really itchy and flaky. So I'm just gonna put the oil on my scalp. And I don't put as much of it as I do when I'm doing a hot oil treatment because I'm not trying to saturate my hair. I'm just trying to get the scalp nice and moisturized. And that's it, you guys. Wash day is complete. So do you guys put oil on your scalp after you do your wash day? Do you add conditioner, leave-ins? Let me know your wash day routine in the comments below. And if you have any other comments, definitely leave them down there as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.